Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring the heart of Kuala Lumpur's retail and tech scene right here in Bukit Bintang. I headed out to the massive, iconic 48-story twin tower complex known as Berjaya Times Square. I had one specific mission in mind to check out the famous indoor theme park. I've never been there before, and I heard it's an absolute must see. But guess what? My epic morning plan hit a major roadblock before it even started. If you're planning a trip here, you'll definitely want to avoid making the exact same mistake I did. So here's the deal. Berjaya Times Square Mall itself opens up daily at 10 a.m. Naturally, I arrived early, excited to head straight to the Berjaya Times Square theme park. But as I walked up, I realized the theme park doesn't actually open its door until around 12 noon. With nearly 2 hours to kill, I decided to turn my mistake into an adventure and explore the neighborhood. Instead of sitting around, I took a short walk over to Plaza Imbi along Jalan Imbi. Now, I've heard that this mall is legendary for being very old. It actually used to be the biggest computer mall in Malaysia. Stepping inside felt like walking into a time capsule. It's definitely not a classy or luxurious mall anymore. The upkeep is a bit run down, but it has a very specific charm. What really stood out to me was the sheer number of computer repair shops packed inside. If you have a broken PC, this is your spot. However, don't expect to find the latest cutting-edge modern IT equipment on display here. It's mostly older components, budget gear, and independent stalls where your final price heavily depends on your bargaining skills. It was a fun browse, but I wanted to see what the modern era looked like. So, next stop, Plaza Low Yat, located right nearby on Jalan Bintang. And wow, what a massive contrast! Low Yat is officially recognized as Malaysia's largest IT lifestyle mall, and it absolutely blew me away. It is incredibly modern, vibrant, and completely packed with the newest gadgets, smartphones, cameras, and gaming rigs spread across multiple floors. The layout here is super convenient. I spent some time browsing through the ground floors, checking out consumer electronics, and then headed down to the lower ground floor, which houses an awesome food court. With my tech curiosity satisfied and the clock finally striking noon, it was time to head back to Berjaya Times Square. Was Malaysia's largest indoor theme park actually worth the wait? Let's find out. Walking back in, the energy was completely different. The Berjaya Times Square theme park was fully open and buzzing. Even though I visited on a regular weekday, I was surprised to see quite a large number of teenagers and young kids inside the park, completely having the time of their lives on the rides and the massive indoor roller coaster. It is an incredible spectacle to see a full-scale amusement park built right inside a shopping mall complex. From the old school repair shops of Imbi Plaza to the high-tech paradise of Low Yat and finishing with an indoor roller coaster, Bukit Bintang never ceases to amaze. Have you ever been to this indoor theme park? Or do you prefer tech shopping at Low Yat? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more travel and walkabout adventures, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!